Stop signing. Read this first stop. Before you sign anything, you need to hear this. Because once you sign, you may be giving away rights you didn't even know you had. People sign documents every day thinking, it's standard, or it's just paperwork. And later, they find out they agreed to things that cost them money, protection, or legal rights. Your signature is not just a formality, it is legal consent. When you sign a document, you are saying you understand it and you agree to it, even if you never read a single word. Courts do not care if you were rushed. They do not care if you felt pressured. They do not care if someone said, just sign here. Your signature can be used against you. One of the biggest lies people are told before signing is this. It's just a standard form. Standard does not mean fair. Standard does not mean safe. Most contracts are written to protect one side, and it is usually not you. If someone minimizes what you are signing or rushes you to finish, that is your first warning sign. Another major red flag is when a document quietly takes away your rights. Many agreements include language that makes you waive important protections without clearly explaining it. This can include giving up your right to sue, your right to a trial, or your right to speak publicly. These clauses are often hidden in long paragraphs or written in vague language. If you see words like waive, release, or hold harmless, slow down and read carefully. Arbitration clauses are another thing people miss. These clauses often mean you cannot go to court. You cannot join a class action. And disputes are handled privately, usually in a system that favors companies over individuals. Arbitration is not always bad, but forced arbitration removes leverage. And most people do not realize they agreed to it until something goes wrong. Money clauses are another danger area. Some contracts hide cancellation fees, penalties, automatic renewals, or extra charges in the fine print. What looks cheap up front can become expensive later. If a document mentions money more than once, read every word around it. Pressure is one of the biggest warning signs. Statements like, this offer expires today, or we need this signed right now, are tactics. Anyone who benefits from your signature wants speed. Anyone who respects you allows time. If you are not allowed to review a document, that is a problem. So what should you do instead? Take the document home. Read it slowly. Look up any words you do not understand. Ask questions. And remember this. You are allowed to say no. You are allowed to ask for changes. You are allowed to walk away. Most legal problems do not start in court. They start at a desk, with a pen, and pressure. Do not let urgency cost you your rights. Stop. Read. Then sign. Subscribe for more real-world legal knowledge, explained in plain English.